The first shipment of the day, all the way from the Central Valley.
They look perfect. We can start unloading now.
The process begins here at the loading dock, where fresh pomegranates arrive daily from the farms.
Quality control is paramount. Each pomegranate is inspected by hand to ensure only the finest fruit moves forward.
The process begins with careful selection. Our workers inspect every pomegranate to ensure only the highest quality fruit is used for the juice.
The process begins as the fresh pomegranates are delivered to the intake hopper, ready for the next stage of juicing. The blue crates are loaded onto a conveyor system, where they enter a high-pressure industrial washer for sterilization.
The process begins as the fresh pomegranates arrive at the plant. They are loaded onto high-speed conveyor belts for initial sorting.
First, the fresh pomegranates are transported via conveyor belts into a vigorous washing basin.
Once the pomegranates arrive, they are placed in a water basin. Automated perforated buckets gently scoop.
Once harvested, the fruit enters the processing line, where high-pressure water jets ensure a thorough cleaning. The pomegranates are first transported on a conveyor belt, where they are thoroughly washed by high-speed rotating brushes and sprayed with water.
Our state-of-the-art facility utilizes high-pressure water jets for a final rinse before the extraction process begins.
The fresh pomegranates are moved along the conveyor belt, where they pass under a high-pressure drying system to remove excess moisture before deseeding. As the fresh pomegranates arrive from the fields, they undergo a rigorous sorting process. Workers remove any debris or damaged fruit by hand.
The fruit travels along the conveyor belt, where high-resolution cameras scan each one for defects before sorting.
Our state-of-the-art AI vision system scans every pomegranate in real time, identifying defects like cracks and bruises.
The pomegranates are first directed to the sizing area, where diverging rollers precisely sort them by diameter before agave processing.
Once washed, the pomegranates are moved onto the sizing rollers, where the smaller fruits fall through the gaps onto a lower conveyor belt for processing.
Here we see the sizing conveyor at work. The pomegranates are separated by size using spinning rollers before moving to the next stage of processing.
Once the tanks are full, the system automatically signals that the fruit is ready for the next stage of juice extraction.
Specialized machinery scores the fruit in a precise cross pattern before applying pressure to split it open.
Inside the deseeding machine, rotating paddles gently separate the vibrant arils from the bitter white pith.
The mechanical deseeder uses a rotating head to efficiently separate the juicy arils from the bitter white pith.
The arils are then separated from the unwanted peel and pith using vibrating sieves, juicy sieves.
The discarded peels are rapidly moved along the conveyor system, ensuring only the fresh arils continue to the juicing stage.
The rotating drum effectively separates the heavy peels, which are then carried away by the conveyor belt to the next stage.
Here we see the freshly separated arils moving quickly down the line, where workers ensure only the highest quality seeds are selected.
Here the seeds are gently tumbled on a shaker table, allowing the juice and any unwanted solids to fall through the perforations.
Next, the mixture enters a separation unit. Using precise vibration and air pressure, the lighter white pith is blown away from the heavier, vibrant retals.
The optical sorting machine uses high-speed cameras and a precise robotic arm to identify and remove any. The fresh arils are carefully dropped into these large stainless steel hoppers before moving on to the pressing stage. The digital scale precisely measures the weight. Reaching the target of 1,000 kilograms triggers an alert for the operator. The separated pomegranate arils are then rushed through these transparent pipes, heading to the presses. The system automatically halts the process if metal is detected. It is now undergoing a quick reset before resuming operations.
Here, the vibrant arils are carefully poured into our state-of-the-art stainless steel mixers to begin the juice extraction process.
The hydraulic press slowly descends, squeezing the juice from the tightly packed arils. The cold press activates, rapidly increasing pressure to 17 bar to extract the fresh juice.
After crushing, the pomegranate mash is loaded into hydraulic presses, which extract the vibrant juice.
After the hydraulic press finishes its work, the pulp is left in dense blocks, with the final juice slowly dripping away. The conveyor system transports the dense pulp to the crushing mechanism, which efficiently breaks it apart, creating a fine mist of.
Once extracted, the raw pomegranate juice flows into these collection troughs before moving on to filtration.
Here, a sample is drawn from the tank to check for quality and consistency before bottling.
The lab technician uses a refractometer to measure the sugar content, ensuring the Brix level is exactly 15.2%.
Using the pH meter, we confirm the acidity level is exactly 3.85, critical for flavor and preservation. The freshly pressed pomegranate juice is then pumped into large holding tanks, ensuring a consistent flow for the next stage of processing.
After pressing, the vibrant red liquid is thoroughly mixed in these large stainless steel vats to ensure consistency.
After the arils are gently pressed, the resulting juice is pumped into large stainless steel tanks where it is mixed to ensure consistency before bottling.
The deep red juice is held in these large stainless steel tanks, where powerful mixers ensure a consistent blend before bottling. The juice is flash pasteurized at precisely 45 degrees Celsius, ensuring maximum flavor retention as the cycle completes.
The extracted juice is then pumped through high-grade steel pipes into large vats for quality inspection.
After pressing, the mixture is pumped through this separator. Here, the clear juice is isolated from the thicker, darker pulp. Here we see the freshly pressed pomegranate juice flowing through the sterile pipes to the next stage of filtration.
In this modern facility, every valve adjustment is precisely monitored to ensure the efficient flow of the freshly pressed juice.
The technician checks the brix level of the juice to ensure quality control.
The filtration system uses advanced membranes to clarify the juice while retaining its vibrant color.
This extreme close-up shows the pressurized pomegranate juice being filtered, leaving behind unwanted particles and sediment.
This is the microfiltration stage, where the clear red permeate is separated, ensuring a crisp, high-quality juice. After reverse osmosis, we are left with the clear permeate stream and the rich, concentrated pomegranate juice.
The freshly pressed pomegranate juice flows directly into these stainless steel vats, ready for the next phase of purification and bottling.
The freshly pressed pomegranate juice is pumped into large stainless steel holding tanks, awaiting the next stage of the process. Here the technician confirms the quality of the batch using the centralized control panel, ensuring only the best juice moves forward.
After the arils are separated, the vibrant red juice flows through these sealed, transparent pipes.
Here we see the automated clean-in-place system, or CIP, ensuring the tanks are sterilized between batches using high-pressure water and steam.
After extraction, the vibrant red juice flows directly into these sanitized stainless steel vats.
The juice then enters the high-temperature short-time, or HTST, pasteurization unit.
The juice is rapidly heated in a plate heat exchanger to ensure pasteurization while preserving flavor.
The juice flows through the heat exchanger, where it is rapidly heated for pasteurization by the hot liquid. And
the vibrant red juice is flash pasteurized and quickly cooled, traveling through this sealed system to ensure peak freshness and quality before packaging.
After extraction, the raw juice is quickly heated through the pasteurization pipes, indicated here in red, before moving on to cooling.
The juice is then pumped through this heat exchanger, which rapidly pasteurizes the liquid using steam.
To preserve the juice and prevent oxidation, nitrogen gas is carefully injected into the pipeline before bottling.
Once processed, the juice moves to the automated packaging line, where high-speed machinery seals the product into consumer-ready pouches. The printed sleeves are immersed in a hot water bath, ensuring complete sterilization through vigorous bubbling and steam before the filling process.
The sterilized packaging material is fed through high-pressure rollers to remove any remaining moisture.
The printed packaging material is rapidly formed into individual cartons, utilizing precise automation before moving on to the filling stage.
Heat sealing ensures the freshness of the pomegranate juice as it moves efficiently down the line.
The freshly pressed juice is rapidly cooled and moved to the aseptic filling line, ensuring maximum freshness and quality.
The automated sealing mechanism uses precise heat application to create a secure closure, ensuring the juice remains. Here, the continuous strip of cartons is precisely cut and simultaneously sealed by a heated blade, ensuring product safety and freshness. In the final stage, the pomegranate juice is securely packaged. This modern facility handles thousands of cartons with precision and speed.
Once processed, the juice is immediately packaged into aseptic cartons, ensuring freshness and quality for the consumer.
After the cartons are filled, they move rapidly along the conveyor, where the capping machine seals each one precisely, ensuring the freshness of the juice inside. After the bottles are filled, they are rapidly moved to the capping station, where high-speed automated arms secure the colorful lids. The final step is the high-speed straw applicator, ensuring every carton is ready for distribution.
Once the juice is prepared, automated systems take over. Here, a heist robot is meticulously stacked.
Once filled, each box receives a unique barcode, which is scanned to track it through the distribution process. The final stage sees automated systems rapidly stacking the juice boxes. The AGV then transports the completed pallets to the warehouse. The automated packaging line utilizes advanced robotic arms to rapidly and precisely stack the finished pomegranate juice onto pallets for distribution.
Advanced logistics track the fruit from the moment it arrives. The forklift scans the pallet, logging it into the central database.
The central nervous system of the plant, the WMS, tracks the automated guided vehicles as they transport the freshly harvested fruit to processing.
From the processing line, the finished product is carefully transported and stored in our state-of-the-art high bay warehouse by automated guided vehicles. Once the pallets arrive, the system is updated. Here we route pallet 005 to aisle 3. Welcome to the heart of our operation, the high bay warehouse. Utilizing advanced logistics, we store thousands of pallets of fresh pomegranates.
Here in the warehouse, automated grenade guide vehicles, or AGVs, heavy lifting.
The process begins here at the loading dock, where fresh pomegranates arrive daily by the truckload.
The process begins with a meticulous inspection of the shipping containers to ensure they are clean and safe for transport.
Once packaged, the fresh pomegranate juice is carefully loaded for shipment, ensuring efficiency from the plant to the customer.
Here at the loading dock, efficiency is key. Forklifts carefully load the pallets of fresh pomegranate juice for shipment.
After passing final inspection, the pomegranate juice is carefully loaded and digitally documented for its journey.
Once the bill of lading is signed, the fresh pomegranates are officially received at the plant, beginning their journey to become juice.
All set, thank you.